What is good, Sunny Nation? Next to me, I have Ngobeko Dlamini. So, Ngobeko, this is the final squad for the AMA qualifier FIFA, right? Yeah. So, I want you, Usni, as like your ideal starting lineup.
Oh, well, easy. In goals, I think we're going to have the skipper, obviously, Ronza. Right back, Ukulusu Motau. Left back, I think, Aubrey. And then centre back, two centre backs. Left centre back will have Mbogazi. And then the right, I think we'll have what's more. I think we'll have Usbisi.
Okay.
Centre will have Stole, no Tebza, and then as a 10 I'll have Umbule.
Okay.
And then right wing will have probably Oswin. I think he's been doing well.
Okay.
And then on the left we'll have Unkota, up front Ulal Foster. I think, yeah.
Okay. And then go on my players also. Which one do you always feel like we are better?
Consistency at Tebza, consistency at Ronza. I think Usipo Mbulu is also doing well. We'll let Leo play weak game, I think, yeah.